Live from the fastener capital of America, Agawam, Massachusetts, it's the Pick Six Show. Now, please welcome your hosts, one of them a former Pick Six champion, the other a baseball catcher. It's Sulamita Bretnichenko and Dan Genovese.
Well, hello, everybody.
Hello.
I'm Dan.
I'm Sula.
And this is a weekly talk show about OMG roofing products, NFL football, and of course, OMG's Pick Six game. So, you will likely not get any fantasy football gems from this.
You
okay?
might, though. You might be surprised. We might have something up our short sleeves.
That's right. But you will definitely get some OMG Pick Six gems, that's for sure.
Yeah.
So this is our season kickoff episode where we're going to review the Pick Six rules. We'll talk about the NFL season a little bit, all right, because we know everyone's live right now. They got to get back to work, so we're not going to drag it on too long.
It's going to be a short one, but a sweet one.
That's right. So why are we doing this? Well, this was kind of my idea because, you did such a great job last year, and who would have thunk we'd have a world-class NFL analyst here that can help us out.
I sure would not have thunk that.
That's right. And the original title of the show was Beat Sula, but I didn't think that was going to go over too well. So that got knocked down by the producers. But anyways, we're here to talk about Pick Six and to get our audience engaged and have a good time. So it'll be a short episode this week. So Sula, you are the world class. You are the champion from last year. Why don't you tell us who you are and why you're qualified to do this?
I'm Sula Bretnichenko. For viewers, you know me as Sula B from the OMG Pick Six tournament. And last year, I somehow, through my knowledge and wit, came in second place for OMG Pick Six. Not quite the champion, but enough to beat the schmucks at the OMG office. And I've been here for 4 years. I'm the sales and marketing assistant. And I don't really have very many tricks up my sleeve or anything. I just go with my heart and I pick between the teams. And I seem to do a good job.
Very nice.
How about you, Dan? Why are you qualified?
Well, that's a great
in
question.
Such great, atmosphere.
I think we were desperate and we needed someone. So I qualified as number one. But I've been with OMG for 31 years. I'm a product manager here. And what makes me qualified is I guess I'm from the old school. All right. I used to love the AFL, the WFL, the USFL, the XFL. I used to play electronic football with the little guys buzzing around on the board. I love the game when it's played on grass and mud. I love the out-of-bound tackles. I hate end zone celebrations.
That's really unfortunate.
Yes, I can't stand
There's such good ones. There's
right.
such good ones.
Well, I've also, my team is the Raiders. I've been a Raider fan since 1972. So people ask me, why are you a Raiders fan and why is that the case? Well, I've been there for a long time supporting the silver and black. So that's my team. I'm also a card-carrying member of the NFL's most notorious fans, the Black Hole, and I got my Super Bowl ring to prove it. So things are looking up this year for the Raiders. And
how well did you do in the tournament?
Not so
last
good.
Year?
Not so good. But
no.
Again, I think they just needed a warm body to stand here and to be your host because it's really all. So tell us more about the Pick Six game. Who can tell us more about it?
Well, I think our great commissioner, man of many hats, the awesome Sean Jennings can come on and explain Pick Six a little bit for us.
Oh, thanks guys for having me. Just one of those schmucks from the office in Agawam. Pleasure to be here and join you guys. Yes, I am the commissioner of the Pick Six tournament here, the digital marketing guy. And we have got a wonderful Pick Six tournament. You guys talked about how you did last year. I will not talk about how I did last year, but for anyone out there joining us live on Facebook or on the recorded version on YouTube, thank you. Pick Six is a easy-to-play, free-to-play, fun football tournament that lasts all 17 weeks of the season. All you have to do is go to omgpick6.com to sign up, put a little bit of information. It's pretty simple, and boom, you're in the tournament. All you have to do each week, pick 6 games. Nothing more to it than that, either or A or B. Cincinnati or Cleveland, Broncos or Dolphins. Doesn't matter. You just have to pick 6 of them. You get points based on which ones you pick. At the end of the week, we total up your points. Whoever has the most points each week, first place gets $100, courtesy of OMG.
Every week.
Yes, every week. Second place gets 50, third place 25. We do that for all 17 weeks. And at the end of the season, the person with the most total points at the end of the year gets a giant, literal giant check from OMG
for $3,000. We had a winner last year out in Texas who was a wonderful roofing consultant, and he walked away with a big check, and I'm sure he went and spent it on.
Do you get anything for 600th place?
Sadly, we ran out of prizes by the time we get down to 600, but you do get the pleasure of having fun.
Oh, thank you.
We give that away for free.
And luckily for the viewers, OMG employees are not eligible to win any of the prizes.
Yes,
so
sadly.
everything goes to you guys.
We're in it just for the bragging rights.
Which are really awesome to have.
Yes, as these guys will tell you, they're happy to brag about their performance. Now, one other thing we're doing new this year is we're doing a special thing this week. So if you sign up for Pick 6 before August 31st, you are automatically entered.
Friday.
All you got to do is sign up. Entered to win one of 10 custom OMG football jerseys. They say Pick 6 on the front. They say OMG Roofing on the back. You even get to pick the number of your jersey. I know you guys will have some jerseys on the show next week.
Yep.
Do you care to share what number you picked? I know you picked a special number for your jersey.
Yes, I did. 00 for Jim Otto, the Hall of Famer of the Oakland Raiders Center. He's the man. 00, double O.
It's a very memorable number.
It is. In fact, they can't have it in the NFL anymore.
Really?
It's completely retired. They cannot use it.
I did not know that.
Okay, trivia.
Learning things. So what number did you pick?
I picked number 32, which it's a very classic number according to my co-host here, and 23 is my favorite number, so it works because it's 23 backwards.
All right.
Okay, fair enough. Well, so please get signed up this week or anytime during the tournament, but the sooner the better at omgpick6.com. Thank you guys for having me.
Yes.
Like us.
This is going to be a great show, and I will be alongside you all 17 weeks. I'll be behind the camera.
Thank goodness.
If you're watching live now and you have a comment or question for these guys, leave it, and I'll shout it at them at some point during the show.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Excellent.
Thanks for being here.
Back to work.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Sula, what's exciting about this season in your eyes at this point? You have anything? You have a breakout team, or what's on your mind?
Well, for this season, I haven't watched any preseason games, so I'm giving everybody a chance to kind of figure out how to beat me this season. But I'm really excited to see which teams have adopted the matte colored helmets. That's
Who's
actually
Matt?
Oh no, he doesn't work here anymore. But he, yeah, my team to watch actually this season are the LA Rams, and they actually had those matte purple helmets. So I'm really excited to see who else has them this season.
So that's your breakout team?
Well, they did really well last year. I feel like they broke out, but I think they're going to do even better this year.
Yes, like I said, this is not a fantasy football, so I don't think we're going to get any clues for
I actually won my fantasy football team, my fantasy football league last year as well. So maybe you will get some fantasy football things from me.
Well, my breakout team is the Cleveland Browns. You know, the HBO show's Hard Knocks is a great show. They're talking all the right stuff. And what's really going to make it exciting is they're giving away free beer. The victory fridges are stationed all around Cleveland. All right. And when the Cleveland Browns win, no, this is true. See, it's right in the news. When the Browns win their first game, the refrigerators open up automatically. It's all around bars, all around town.
Just locks on their own.
It locks on its own, and the fans are going to go in and have a good time.
That sounds like a really bad.
I think they're going to win a game this year just because of that thing. Yes, can we? Yes, sir.
Yeah, we have a Facebook comment
wow.
for you. A question for our host. It comes from Joni, who asks, how many wins do you think the Cleveland Browns are actually going to get this year? You want to put a number on that?
Well, they're going to win. One.
So at least
one. They'll win the beer.
Yeah.
The beer will come out. It'll be nice.
And that'll be enough for everyone, I think.
It sounds like they're going to replenish the beer if it drags on and drags on, but I think it's going to happen early.
Wow.
So, all right.
That's something to watch out for.
Yeah. Okay. How many games are they going to win, do you think?
One, probably.
Okay.
One's good. I actually went to a Cleveland Browns game, and they won that game.
When? What year?
Christmas. 2 years ago.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Yeah, my husband's a Chargers fan, and we went to see Chargers versus Browns, and it was the first game that Browns won all season.
Well, do you have an early Super Bowl pick? What do you got? We're on the clock now.
I know. Well, I can't. I'm gonna save that for some other episodes.
Okay.
How about you?
Well,
who do you think is gonna win the Super Bowl?
I think at 20 to 1 odds, it's going to be the Raiders.
Oh, sure.
You know, Chucky Gruden is back coaching.
Okay.
It's going to be a Derek Carr season, so
he's probably going to get injured.
Well, you know, hopefully they'll have a good backup, but I don't know. But this is the year. Chucky's back, and we're all excited in the black hole.
Okay. Well, I mean, you know, we're going to keep this a little bit short.
Okay.
I think this is enough little teaser for
Yeah,
for the
we got a-
episode so far. We have a lot planned for the future.
A lot to think about for next
episodes
week.
of- Oh yeah, definitely. Next week we have our show, September 5th. Which is, what day is that? Thursday?
Producer, what's the day?
Producer should know. Producer says Wednesday.
That's Wednesday, because
Wednesday,
there is a
oh.
Thursday night game. Is that the opening game?
That is the
Oh,
opening
yes.
game. So for Pick 6, the picks open on Monday.
Okay.
So if you sign up now, your first picks open on Monday, and yes, kickoff is Thursday.
Excellent.
So next week we'll actually have picks to talk about.
Okay.
How I made my picks.
Mhm.
Why you should also make the same picks that I'm doing, because we will win this together.
And yeah, we're gonna have some more exciting things to talk about next week. The OMG Pro Bowlers, and we got some good stuff coming out. We'll have guests, and we're gonna break down some games occasionally, and maybe we'll use the board here, but our producers are shaking their head no, but we'll see what happens.
We have a way, This is gonna be a great show. I hope you guys tune in every week. If you need to sign up for OMG Pick 6, make sure you go to the website omgpick6.com. Sign up. It's free for everyone. It's a fun time. You guys can win a lot of cash prizes. Watch us live anytime we have this show once a week on facebook.com/OMG Roofing.
Excellent.
And after our live shows, the episodes will be up on YouTube, so you can also, like us, love us, subscribe, comment.
Okay, well done. All right, everybody.
Oh, yeah. Thanks for
Have a
joining
nice week.
us.
Have a wonderful
Have
weekend.
a great weekend.